In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for construction. Whether you're managing a small building crew or overseeing a major construction project, Monday.com can be a game changer for keeping everything organized and on track. Let's get started with the step-by-step process to set up your construction management board. First, we'll begin by heading to the Monday.com website. Simply open your web browser and type in Monday.com. It's a very user-friendly site, and once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can access your account. If you're using Google to log in, just click on the Google option and choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. This method provides a seamless and secure way to access your information without the hassle of entering passwords. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to create a new board, which will serve as your central hub for all project management tasks related to construction. Look for the plus icon. It's usually located in the dashboard area. Click on it to initiate the creation of your new board. From here, you'll be directed to the Template Center. This is where you can browse a plethora of templates that are designed to fit specific industries and purposes. In the Template Center, use the search bar to type in construction. Searching for relevant templates helps you find a board structure that fits your needs perfectly. In our case, we're focusing on construction, so typing this keyword will display various pre-designed templates specifically for construction management. Among the available options, locate the template titled Construction Management. This template is tailored to meet the unique demands of construction projects, offering features that can help streamline workflows, assign tasks, and track progress efficiently. Once you find it, give it a click to see more details. The next step is crucial: using the template itself. After you've reviewed the template details, you'll see a button labeled Use Template. Clicking this will apply the construction management template to your new board, effectively setting up the framework you'll need to start managing your project right away. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to set up your construction management operations using Monday.com. By following these detailed steps, you have established a workspace that helps you oversee every aspect of your construction project. Now you're ready to dive in and customize the board to suit your team's specific needs and start managing all aspects of your construction projects more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials on how to use Monday.com to its full potential.